Hello student, welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is chapter number 2, number system. Chapter number 2, number system. So let's start. So first we are going to see the introduction, okay? So computer is a man-made electronic machine. All of you know that computer is a electronic machine made by a man. Why it is called electronic machine? Because it works on electricity. But this computer does not understand the language people use to communicate with each other. This computer do not understand people language to communicate. Then how people can communicate with computer? How computer can understand our language? Okay, so we see how computer will understand our language. So computer know only two state, on and off. Computer recognize only two discrete state, that is on and off. Why this is on and off? Because computer are electronic device. Okay, computer are electronic device powered by electricity, and electricity is also having only two state, on and off. So these two digits 0 and 1 can easily represent these two state. 0 means represent off state, okay? 0 represent off state, while 1 represent to on state. 1 represent to on state, okay? So you can see here computer bit is there, on and off. How many state? Only two, on and off. And how, see down, how off is denoted by 0. Off is denoted by 0, and on is denoted by that black dots, that black circle. It is an on, so it is denoted by 1. It is denoted by 1. And the circle, okay, the circle, empty circle, that is off, denoted by 0. Getting? Yes, okay. Then see, computer use a binary system. So computer use a binary system because it understand only two state. So binary system is a number system that have only two numbers. This binary system is a number system that have only how many numbers? Only two. Which are they? 0 and 1. And 0 and 1 is called bit. 0 and 1 is called bit. So this bit is a short of binary digit. Bit is a short for binary digit. It is the smallest unit of a data. It is the smallest unit of data that a computer can represent, okay? So it called bit. 0 and 1 it called bit, okay? Now see, so 0 and 1 is called a bit, okay? Whether it is a 0 or 1, it called bit. It called 0. If 1 0 is there, then it is bit. If 1 1 is there, it is bit. And we can say 0 and 1 is a bits. 0 and 1 is a bits, okay? Now when 8 bits are grouped together, okay, when this 8 bits are grouped together as a unit, they form byte, okay? So now the combination of 1 0 1 0, okay, now when it forms a group, okay, when it's from a group together, it called byte. So see here that 0 will represent only 1 0, okay, 1 0, okay? So it is a bit. It is a bit. Or we can say if it is a 1 is there, then it is also 1 bit only, okay? Single 0 or single 1 is a bit. When it becomes 0 and 1, it's a bytes. It is bytes. Sorry. When single 0, it is bit, okay? When single 1 is there, then it is also a bit. But if there is 0 and 1, it called bits, okay? And when we can make a group of this 1 and 0, and it will come 8 bits, okay? It will come 8 bits. See here in the image, you can see how many numbers are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, okay? So 1 0 1 0 form a group together. How many it will come? 8 bits. 8 bits are grouped together, so it will become a byte. It will become a byte, okay? Getting? What is bit, what is byte? Yes, okay. Now the next is number system. Now we will understand what is number system. So computer cannot understand human language. So computer store data in the form of code form. It will save the data in a code form or a machine readable forms. Okay, so computer can store data in code form or a machine readable forms. So two pulse that are used to represent basic numbers, that is 0 and 1, are, so here 0 means absent pulse, absence pulse represent 0, absence pulse represent 0, and present of pulse represent 1. Okay, so you can see here in the picture that binary 1, okay, binary 1, that it is a present pulse, okay, and binary 0, it is a absence pulse, or we can say that 1 is a, yes, 1 is a on, okay, we can say that it is a on state, okay, it is a on state, while 0 is a off state. Okay, data will stored in on state. Okay, so like this it will show on state and off state. So on state means 1, okay, off state means 0. Okay, so in number system the presence pulse it will do not like this. So see here, computer only understand binary signal, that is 1, okay, 1 and 0. 1 means on and 0 means off. Okay, now the next, so this number system basically divided into two types. This number system is divided into two types. So first is positional and second is non-positional. So this number system is divided into positional and non-positional. In positional also it is divided into binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. Okay, so these are the number system. Okay, these are the numbering system like binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. These are the number system we are going to see. Understand what is number system? Yes. Okay, now we are going to see non-positional number system. So number system is divided into two types, non-positional number system and positional number system. We are going to see now non-positional number system. So in this, in past human being counted on fingers. So all of you know that human have 10 fingers. Okay, so human being is having a 10 fingers. So after 10, after they counted on 10, after 10 what will they do? So beyond 10 they use stones. They use stone, pebbles or stick to indicate the value, Then they use the symbols such as Roman number. All of you know the Roman number. Okay, but these are the limited one. Okay, these are the limited one. Beyond that what to use? So it is very difficult to perform the arithmetic calculation with such number, with limited number. Okay, so it is not possible for computer to perform the arithmetic calculation. It becomes very difficult to perform the arithmetical calculation with such limited number. Okay, so this non-positional number system is not adapted by the computer. Getting non-positional number system? What is meant by non-positional number system? Yes. Okay, so the next is positional number system. So positional number system are only a few symbol called digit, only few symbol called digit. We also seen that digit is 0 and 1, 0 and 1. So the computer can understand positional number system. Computer can understand this positional number system. So when we type any words, letter, okay, the computer can translate them into the numbers. Okay, as it understand only numbers. So we already seen that computer cannot understand the human language. Okay, so whenever we type, whenever we write any letters, words, number, so this computer can translate them into a number. Okay, because this computer only know the numbers, understand only the numbers. Okay, now this positional numbers, there are different positional number system. So these are decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. These are the different positional number system, and we are going to see this number system one by one. Okay, understand what is positional number system? Yes. Okay, now we are going to see the different positional number system. So among this different positional number system, we are going to see first is decimal number system. So decimal number system is a base 10 number system. Decimal number system is a base 10 number system. The base of a number system indicate how many symbol it uses. So deci means 10. Deci means 10. So decimal number system has 10 digit represents. It's represent 10 digits, that is from 0 to 9, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And the base of this number system is base 10. The base of this number system is base 10. Okay. Why 10? Because we already seen that decimal means 10. That's why it used the base 10. Now with the example we will see. Now see here that number is given 5319. Okay, 5319. So 19 is at which place? It is in ones place. 1 is at which place? It is in tens place. 3 is in hundred place. Okay, and 5 is in thousands place. So we are giving here a base 10. So see here, 9 into 10 raised to power 0 means any number raised to power 0 means 1. Okay, then 1 into 10, that is the raised to power 1. So we have already seen decimal means 10. So we are using here 10. So 1 is at tens place. So 10 raised to power 1 is 10 only. Then 3 is at 100 place. So 10 raised to power 2 means 100. Okay, and 5 as 10 raised to power 3 means 5000. So it become a number 5319. Getting how it will work? Yes, decimal number system, that we are going to use the base 10. We are going to use the base 10 in decimal number system. Okay, getting decimal number system? Yes. Okay, the next positional number system is binary number system. So binary is base 2 number system. Binary is base 2 number system. We see decimal is a base 10 number system, and now binary is a base 2 number system. So bi means 2, and symbol used for this binary systems are 0 and 1. Symbol used for this binary systems are 0 and 1. The place value moving from right to left and successive power of 2. So place value will moving from right to left and successive power of 2. Successive power of 2 means raised to power 2. So see here, 0 on the upper you can see 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 5, 2 raised to power 6 and 2 raised to power 7. So 2 raised to power 0 is, yes, always be, yes, 1. 2 raised to power 1 is always be 2. So like this it will work. Now you can see here example it is given. We already seen that the symbol are used only 2 numbers, that is 0 and 1. So always whenever the binary number system is used, you will see only 2 numbers, 0 and 1. So see here the example 1 0 1 1. Okay, base 2. So how it will be written? How it will be? We will write it. See, we will write it 1 into 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 0. But we always have to return from right to left. So what we'll do? 1 into 2 raised to power 0. Okay. So 1 into 2 raised to power 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 3. Like this we have to write from right hand to left hand side. And what will it will come? That is 1 into 2 raised to power 0, it will become 1. 1 into 2 raised to power 1, it will become 2. And 0 into 2 raised to power 2 is a 2. And all of you know that 1 into 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3, it is, yes, cube of 2 is 8. So 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 11. Okay, so like this it will come. Okay, like this it will come. Yes, getting all of you what is binary number system, how it will work? Yes. Okay. The next positional number system we are going to see is octal. So octal means 8. So octal number system, the base is 8. In decimal we have seen deci means 10. So we are going to use a base 10. In binary, bi means 2. So we are going to use the base 2. Now it is octal. So octal, for octal we are going to use a base 8. So octal number system, the base is 8. There are only 8 symbol or digit. How many symbols or digit are there? 8 only, from 0 to 7. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In this 8 and 9 digits, 8 and 9 digits or symbols do not exist in this system. Okay. So this 8 and 9 digit does not exist in this system, in octal number system. So octal number represent power of base 8. Octal number system present power of base 8, means to 8 we will going to give a power. Okay. So octal number system, 3 bits are sufficient to represent. So how many bits are used for octal? Only 3 bits are sufficient to represent an octal numbers in binary system. So see here, can you see example 123. Okay, see base we are given 8. So 1 is multiplied by 8, again plus 2 is multiplied by 8, plus 3 is multiplied by 8. But all of you know the rules that we have to raise the power of 8. We have to give the power to 8. Okay, raise the power to 8. So we will write it from right to left. So see, 3 into 8, so 8 raised to power 0. Okay, and as we increase from the power of 8 from right to left, so first 8 it will become raised to power 0, then the 2 into 8, the raised to power 8 raised to power will become 1, then 8 raised to, then plus 1 into 8 raised to power, what it will become? It will become 2. So see that 3, all of you know that 3 into 8, 8 raised to power 0 means it will become 1, so 3. And 2 into 8, all of you know that it is a 16. And 8 square, what is the square of 8? 8 square is 64. So we will add all these sums and you will get the, yes, 123 base 8 octal number. Okay, so like this we will got the octal number. Getting? Yes, all of you? Okay. So today's class we have learned about chapter number 2, that is number system. We have seen that computer cannot understand human language. Computer can understand only on and off language. Why? Because it will work on electricity, and electricity has only two things, that is on and off. So on we represent by 1 and off we represent by 0. Then we have seen the number system. We have seen there are two types of number system, non-positional number system and positional number system. In positional number system we have again seen that there are different positional number system. So we have seen the decimal number system. Deci means 10. Okay, so we in the decimal number system we are going to use the base 10. It will start from 0 to 9. Then we have seen a binary number system. Bi means 2, only base, having a base 2. So we are going to use only 2 digit or symbol, 0 and 1. The next we have seen the octal number system. So octal number system is having a base 8 and octal means 8. So we are going to use base 8 and we are going to use the symbol or digit from 0 to 7. So all these things we have learned in today's class. So next class we are going to see the remaining part of this chapter. Till then you have to revise whatever I taught you. Till then, take care and bye. Goodbye. Thank you.